The challenge of balancing sports and school.
High school athletes often face a difficult balancing act. Keeping up with intense training schedules, games, and meets can make it tough to stay on top of academic work. Understanding the challenges you face is the first step toward managing your time more effectively and achieving success on both the field and in the classroom.
Prioritizing commitments.
Creating a priority list is essential. Identify deadlines for major assignments, exams, and important games or practices. Write them all down in a planner. Organizing your week in advance helps you spot conflicts early, avoid last-minute stress, and ensure you're dedicating enough time to both academics and athletics.
Mastering your schedule.
Develop a clear daily and weekly routine. Block specific times for workouts, practice, homework, and rest. By keeping a consistent schedule, you build habits that make balancing responsibilities easier. Don't forget to schedule short breaks to recharge. Effective time management includes time to relax.
Communication is key.
Talk to your coaches and teachers about your schedule. Let them know when you have big tests or important games. They may be able to offer flexibility, advice, or additional support. Clear communication shows your commitment to both athletics and academics and can help prevent misunderstandings.
Maintaining health and motivation.
Balancing time isn't just about planning, it's also about self-care. Prioritize sleep, eat nutritious meals, and listen to your body to avoid exhaustion or injury. Staying healthy supports strong academic performance and athletic achievement, helping you bring your best to both school and sports.
Long-term benefits and growth.
Learning to manage your time as a high school athlete builds skills that last a lifetime. Organization, discipline, and resilience developed now will help you succeed in college, future careers, and beyond. Embrace the challenge as an opportunity for personal growth, both academically and athletically.